Hello, welcome back to the Pedestal of Society. My name is Brill, and today I really want to talk about something that's been on my heart a very long time. And I know. Normally, I come to you. I consider myself to be an intuitive content creator. So normally, I come when intuition hits. But this, I've been trying to figure out how to articulate it so that I can make sure that I'm heard. I don't want this video get lost among all of the other videos. It is so important that you conquer yourself. When you conquer yourself, you conquer what stops you. Conquering yourself gives you direct access to your intuition, your spirit, your soul, your blueprint, your divine purpose, your plan. But if you continue to walk in this world, literally with headphones on, with the voice, the microphone of the world, and be conquered and in the matrix, it stops you from being able to laser focus on your gifts and unlock the greatness that was always inside of you. Conquering yourself allows you to conquer your mind. Your mind should not run amok. Your thoughts, your emotions, your feelings should not run and ruin your day. But when you are conquered and you're in the matrix and you are walking around with headphones on and your spirit, your soul, your blueprint can't tap in, it can't whisper what the next up level is for you. When you're conquered, the lust, your physical body has more control than your spirit, your blueprint, your intuition, your heart. Being and allowing yourself to be conquered and not realizing that you are meant to conquer. You are the conqueror. You are the victor. But when you haven't done the work to conquer yourself, your flesh run amok. When you haven't done what it takes to conquer yourself, your mind runs amok. When you haven't done what it takes to conquer yourself, your fears stop you before you even assess your gifts, unlock your gifts. Some of you are literally walking around conquered and unlocked. So you have a gift that's natural. Your gift could change the world. It could feed the world. It could give to the world. It could change one mind at a time. But we'll never know because you're walking around conquered. This is the reason why it's so much more important to conquer yourself versus focusing in on love and money. When you focus in on conquering yourself, conquering your flesh, conquering your mind, conquering your fears, conquering your doubt, conquering your insecurity, no one can tell you who you are. You know what type of woman you are. You know what you value. You know your own mind. You know what is meant for you because your gifts are awakened and active. You know what you can do and what you can't do. You know you understand your worth. So when you allow yourself to be conquered and be blinded by the distractions of the world, the voice of the world, and conquered by what people say, what society says is correct for you, you allow yourself, you're smothering your gifts. You're smothering what your blueprint, what your soul says, what you came here to do. Because every one of us have something that we decided that we were co-creating with God. We said, hey, we want to go here. You want to come earthbound. You want to be here. But what are you doing? You're allowing the world to conquer you and put you in the matrix. You allowing the world to blind you with petty thoughts and petty thinking. You allowing your flesh to bind you to a man with no integrity. You allowing the world to pour in seeds of doubt and insecurity. See, this is the reason why I'm an advocate that men and women should never be released to the world and say, go and grow. Men and women should be cultivating and conquering themselves before they're released to the world. We have done it in such a way that we're acting like animals. We're releasing our children out to the world to grow. We're releasing our children out there to learn what their values are. We're releasing our children out there to understand who they are as men and women. And then we're wondering, why are they acting like animals? They're acting like animals because we're releasing them into the wild just like animals do. Conquer yourself and you conquer what holds you back. You conquer your flesh. You conquer your insecurity. You conquer your doubt. You conquer your lust. You conquer your mind. You have control of your reality. You unlock your gifts, your natural gifts that were born. They're with you at all times. Conquering yourself doesn't mean it may unlock some gifts that you have not noticed prior, but those gifts you were born with. But when you conquer yourself, you can laser focus in on those gifts. And then when you laser focus in on gifts, then your love will come flow. Then your money will come flow. You'll be in alignment with the things that you are supposed to be doing on this earth. And your blueprint will awaken. And you'll always know what is the next level to up level to. But when you're conquered and you're in the matrix, fears control you. Doubts control you. Your flesh control you. Your mind control you. Your fear control you. Everything's have control over you but you. Conquer you and you will have money. Conquer you and love will follow. But as long as we continue this practice of releasing our children out into the world, just like animals do, they will be controllable and they will be in the matrix. They won't get off the assembly line. They will not be independent thinkers. They will not be critical thinkers. They'll just be like everybody else. And that is where the world, your gifts, your blueprint, your soul, your spirit, it cries. It's constantly trying to get your attention. It's putting things in your presence and in your reality. It's telling you, it's screaming at you, it's yelling at you to do something about these things. But you're so manageable in the matrix. You're so manageable on the assembly line that even the world doesn't want you to wake up. So they throw distraction after distraction after distraction in your path. And you fall prey to it every single time. And ladies, conquer yourself. You want to be a powerful woman. You want to be a woman that's in flow. You want that soft lifestyle. You want all these desires of your heart, but you refuse to conquer yourself. You refuse to wake up. You refuse to listen to your intuitive spirit. You refuse to tap into your blueprint. You refuse to tap into the authentic woman that you truly are. You're not this woman that can't control her mind. You're not this woman that allows her fears to control her. You're not this woman that stops doing those great and wonderful things because doubt was planted in her heart by a family member, a friend, or a man. You're not her. You never were. You never meant to be. But you have to conquer yourself. And money will flow. Love will flow. Greatness will flow. Your place, your blueprint will actualize and it'll wake up. But this is information that may be suppressed because of what it is. Because there is somewhat of an understanding that as long as people do not understand themselves and they struggle with self and they don't conquer themselves, that they remain in the matrix. So this type of video may be suppressed. So don't let it be suppressed. Like it, comment on it. If you share it, let the world know, because now I feel like there's a movement happening. There's an awakening happening. The spirit is moving. And because too many futures have been lost for it to go unnoticed. So now everybody is starting to wake up to this knowledge. And this is the reason why I want to take my time saying it, because I want to articulate in a way that gets your attention. And I hope I did that. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you.